What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're shooting episode 4 of Supercar Swap. Today of course we've got our 2020 C8 Corvette and then we've got a 718 Cayman S. This actually belongs to my best friend Lewis. He's got his own YouTube channel, it's called Drive More 718. Definitely go check him out. Thank you Lewis for bringing out the 718. So our very first Supercar Swap we did it with a GT3 RS and a lot of you guys complained that the price point wasn't there. You know, the GT3 RS is like a $180,000 car and then the C8 is around, you know, 60 to 90 depending on options. Well today guys, we've got the 718 Cayman S for you. And I believe these start at about 70. So they're right around this Corvette. I think the Corvette starts at 59. So they start a little bit higher. When you option them out though, they come around right around the same price. The 718 Cayman S comes with around 350 horsepower. The C8 has 495. They both are mid-engines and they're both rear-wheel drive. The 718, however, is 3,100 pounds. The C8 comes in right around 3,600 pounds. Just like all supercar swaps, we're gonna jump in each other's car, tell you guys what we like and what we don't like about the car. If the weather stays nice to us, we're gonna try to also get in performance numbers for y'all. We're gonna try to get a quarter-mile run in, and we'll also try to get a roll in from 60 to 130. All right, guys. Oh my God, you just destroyed my car. Unbelievable! Incredible! All right, guys, so we are in the 718 Cayman S. Lewis is in the C8. Lewis, what mode should I be in? Should we go in like, how do you, oh, I see it here.
My favorite is Sport, not Sport Plus.
All right, so I'm gonna drive around Sport. For you, I think I have you set up in track, but you can dial it down into Sport or even my mode if you want.
All right, no, I like track.
Ooh, bro, this thing is super nimble, super light. God, you could just toss this thing around. How's the C8 feel?
All right, so the C8 feels amazing. There's like one thing that I can instantly tell about the C8, and like, this is a good thing. I'm saying it as a good thing, but most people are gonna see it as a bad thing, but I can feel the weight. Compared to the Cayman S, I can feel the extra 500 pounds. But I mean that in a good 100%. Way because it feels so planted to the ground.
Yeah, pluses and minuses and everything. Lighter your car, the less stable it feels, unless I guess you have enough aero to push it down. Heavier cars, they feel more planted, but they slows you down a little bit. Bro, I will tell you one thing though, looking at the car in my rearview mirror, those DRLs, oh my God, the car looks so menacing. I love that.
Yeah, this car, like, I mean, I was looking at it in my rearview mirror on our way here, and it has so much road presence. Like, it just, like, you see this thing coming and you want to move out the way when you see this.
Literally, I see that now.
Holy cow.
Wow.
I never really get to see my car from the outside, so that's why I'm kind of geeking out a little bit.
Your car has such a linear feel to like the throttle. Like mine, because it's turbocharged, it feels so different to yours. Like your car, like just, it's almost like a constant power where you're just accelerating consistently. Mine, it's like accelerate, bam, it goes, and then like at the very end of the RPM range, it kind of dies off. Like after from 7,000 to 7,500, like I feel it die off. Your car's like just so linear, like, wow, dude. That's a big difference.
How does your car look from the outside?
Bro, it looks good. Oh my God, did you just put up the wing or did it go up by itself?
It went up by itself.
Dude, that's so sick. The wing just like flew up.
It's so cool to see your own car from the outside, right?
Oh my God, yeah. I love that car. I love that car so much, man.
Taking this corner at 80 something mile an hour right now, and it's cake.
And remember, that car does not have good tires. I have the Nitto NT 555s on there because that's what the dealership gave me. But if that car had Cup 2s or the P4Ss, it would handle even better, like to another level.
Oh yeah, I can't even imagine if you have a better tire on here. So Lewis is actually lowering this thing and tuning it next week. So we're gonna have to do another supercar swap. Yeah, he's got that coming, so that's gonna transform his car completely, but I'm glad we get to drive it before to see what a 718 Cayman really feels like. Stop.
Yo, put up the wing.
Is that look cool?
I love it. Bro, I love this car. I love it.
Dude, that's C8. They're such great cars. Dude, this thing gets up and goes for 350 horsepower. It's so light.
Matt, this is a great car. Your car just wants you to go fast.
And this has the PDK, right?
Yeah, so that car has PDK. So have you tried accelerating with sport response? You go ahead and flip that little dongle on the steering wheel to Sport Plus, press the button in the middle. It's gonna give you 20 seconds of overboost, and it's also gonna put you in the best gear to accelerate.
Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna try it right now. You ready? Overboost, here we go.
Yeah.
Wow, this car feels so much faster. Dude, this ain't, it turned into a totally different animal.
No, it's a big difference between not using sport response and using the sport response button.
Totally changed the car. And I don't think I could see the 20-second thing because your car is telling me to refuel. You got 19 miles of gas left on it.
Yeah, so I actually did that on purpose because I was like, you know what? I need the least amount of weight possible to beat Matt in a race.
Okay, I see what you're doing there.
Yo, Matt, give me some pop sport, not Sport Plus, and then you rev it out to about 5. You'll be in manual mode. Rev it out to about 5 or 6, and then just let go of the gas, and then it pops. Oh, that sounds so good! I've never been popped. Wow, it's a lot louder outside the car.
Oh, it's so loud, bro.
What? That sounds so good.
It does. Bro, your car is freaking out right now. Everything's telling me to get gas.
Get gas. Don't drive me until you get gas.
Bro, I really love the car though. Super smooth, super quick, light and nimble. Oh man, these two cars look so cool next to each other.
Yeah, man, it's same thing. This car is absolutely ridiculous. This feels like a supercar, honestly. Like the Cayman has a very light feeling sports car feel to it. But this thing, like I've said to you before, it feels like what the Lambos and the McLarens feel like that's the drive that you're getting with this car. Just that planted, very expensive feel.
Yeah, I know, they did a great job on C8.
If you're doing a lot of like high speed runs in your car, the C8 is definitely gonna be the car for you. It 100% feels more planted. There's like no getting around that it has 500 pounds over the Cayman, and that it uses that 500 pounds to its advantage. It's not a weakness of the car that makes the car what it is. But if you're looking for like a go-kart, you know, like that little like, you know, tight road feel, that Cayman is awesome on a tight road because it's so light, and you can have a lot of fun with that Cayman going 20-30 miles an hour.
Yeah, no, I think you nailed that one on the head.
Like you said, you can't go wrong with either car. Both cars are great. I love this. I can't wait for a C8 Z06 to come out. I know you have one on order. That's gonna be ridiculous, man.
I can't even imagine. All right, guys, now the performance side of this supercar swap. We're gonna do a quick quarter-mile run and then a roll from 60 to 130. We got a little bit more time, the weather's being nice, so we're gonna get these in really quick, see the difference between the C8 Corvette and the 718. We got the GoPro Max on the back, so we got some sick shots coming for you guys. All right, Lewis, what do you predict about to happen here?
I think this is how it's gonna go down. I think I'm gonna pull you 0 to 30.
You think you have the dig?
Yeah, I think I got you 0 to 30, and then I think you're gonna catch me pretty fast, and then at about 60, 70, you're only gonna be pulling away, like, not by all that much. I would say like maybe a car every 20 miles an hour.
There's only one way to find out, so we're gonna do a dig first then.
That was good. God, your car gets out of the hole quick.
Were you slipping at all or no?
No, I mean maybe I had like a little bit chirping, but really I didn't slip.
You want to run it again? So drag race definitely goes to the C8, huh?
Drag race definitely goes to the C8. That thing takes off, man. I think you aren't gonna pull me as hard from 60 to 130. We'll see, I guess.
So there's our 60 to 130 test. Porsche 718 Cayman S versus C8. On 3, 1, 2, and 3, go. How was that, man?
Wow, dude, that was insane. Oh my God. Woo, my heart's pounding, man.
How many car links did you see between us?
Oh God, there must have been 4 or 5.
Guys, I do want to tell you that Lewis does have a tune. He's lowering it. This car is going to be a totally different animal here next week. So definitely go check out his channel. His channel is DriveMore718. He's gonna have the fastest, best Cayman S on YouTube. Wow guys, what a blast. Both cars are super fun. The 718 is a little slower in the quarter mile and from a roll than the C8, but we expected that, being the C8 has 500 horsepower and the 718 only has 350, but still a great competitor. It handles just as well as the C8. This thing is a light, nimble little go-kart. I love this thing. After Lewis gets it tuned, I imagine it's gonna be very similar to the C8 in performance speed-wise. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Supercar Swap. If you guys wanna see more episodes just like this with other cars, go ahead and throw a comment below and let me know and like the video for me. But as always guys, thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out. We'll see you guys next video. Later.